Hi, this is Paul Bowerman from Bowerman 939, the Brigham Tea Company. I'm going to make some videos on fire building. I've got a fire drill set here that I've used that I haven't had much success with this fire drill set. I've used this combination before. It's a yucca stem, which comes from the yucca seed pod, a palm frond base, which I've drilled the thing in and cut some slots, and then a pine top. And grease this top up with and we'll give it a try here. Haven't had much luck with this set. That's the bad thing about using a bow drill for survival. Boy, if you don't have everything just right, it's pretty hard to get a bow drill to work. Now, that sounds pretty good. I like to hear that. That screeching sound usually means that it's a good set. But now, I'm just drilling this in. I've got to cut a little groove in it so I can catch the ash. But anyhow, you get the general idea. I'm not going to teach today on how to use a bow drill set. There's plenty of guys out there that are really good at it. Ray Mears is one with bow drill set. I'm more of a guy that likes something in survival that is going to work for sure. Anyhow, this is the #1, part 1 of this series. Probably going to be 3 or 4 videos. Thanks for watching. This is Paul Bowerman, Bowerman 939 of the Brigham Tea Company. Thanks for watching.